Hi guys, this is Go for Agriculture channel. Today we are going to discuss Arun Katyan chapter 13b, that is water management. So here we have already discussed the irrigation terms and terminologies. Today we are going to discuss the method of irrigation. First one, drip or trickle irrigation is discovered in Israel. So this is very important question, that drip irrigation discovered in which country? The answer is Israel. Next question, what are the causes of natural waterlogging? So the answer is poor natural drainage of soil and submergence under soil. So if there is any submergence under the soil, it will cause waterlogging. So the waterlogging will also cause yield damage. Next one, poor natural drainage. Next question, which of these irrigation method cannot be used under high wind velocity? The answer is sprinkler irrigation, because if there is high wind velocity, the irrigation method can't be predictable, because in drip irrigation we can use high wind velocity, but sprinkler irrigation it should be under control. Next one, in which method of irrigation application of water to the field surface under gravity flow, which results in on or off mode, is called surge irrigation. Surge irrigation is intermittent application of water. So in that it results in on or off modes under gravity flow, so that it is called surge irrigation. Next one, in micro irrigation water is applied at low rate, then directly into plant root zone and over a long period of time. So this is popular in recent time, that why micro irrigation is important, because it saves water and we can say it is directly goes into the plant root zone, and it is also stays in long period of time. Next question, typhoon system of drip irrigation is what? It is a very efficient drip irrigation for sugarcane and developed in Israel for irrigating row planted crops. So I have already discussed that drip irrigation was discovered in Israel. Like that, typhoon system also developed in Israel, and it is a very efficient drip irrigation for sugarcane. It is proved under research. Next one, irrigation method through underground perforated pipes through deep trenches wet red zone through capillary movement is called subsurface or subsoil irrigation. So perforated pipes is, we can say, drip irrigation also, but here it goes into deep trenches wet root zone, so it is called subsurface irrigation. Next one, type of surface irrigation in which basin are made around trees which are suitable for fruit trees is called ring basin method. So ring basin method means the basins are made around the trees, so that it is useful for fruit trees and other trees also. It is a type of surface irrigation. So this is very important question. Next one, corrugation is a very important term in method of irrigation. So what is corrugation? Corrugation is a small and shallow furrow method which is used for irrigation. So it is come under surface irrigation. Next one, the irrigation that is before sowing of crops is known as puddling. Next one, drip irrigation system saves dash percentage of water than conventional irrigation. The answer is 50 to 70%. Next one, subsurface irrigation is mostly practiced in which state in India? The answer is Kerala, and for which crop it is coconut. Next one, cable ligation to automated system, what it will happen? The plug is allowed to move downslope through the pipe at a controlled rate. So it is allowed downslope and it is at a controlled rate, so it is called cable ligation. Next one, which of the following is not a merit of drip irrigation system? That is inadequate root development. This is a very demerit of drip irrigation system, because there are many advantages of drip irrigation, but one of the main disadvantages is that the root development tampers due to the drip irrigation. Next one, flood method and ring basin method example are of which type of irrigation method? It is called surface irrigation. So under surface irrigation there are many, we can say, corrugation, surge irrigation, flood method, ring basin method. These are under surface irrigation. So thanks for watching this video. If you want more and more video, then subscribe our channel Go for Agriculture. If you want PPT, then download from our channel Go for Agriculture. Till then, stay tuned.